Hello and welcome to Maths Made Simple. My name is George Ampadibanfo. Today we're going to study something about discounts, how to solve discount questions. Now, example, a question. A Biba was given a discount of 15% of the price of a laptop selling for 3,000 cedis. How much did he pay for the laptop? Now answer. Discount percentage is equal to 15%. And the original price percentage is equal to 100%. So therefore, to find the new price percentage, we subtract 15% from 100%. We subtract 15% from 100%. So we get 85%. So therefore, 85% is the new price percentage. Now, selling price is equal to 10,000. Now, if 100% is equal to 3,000 cedis, then 85% will be equal to what? So let the new price equal to x. So therefore, you cross multiply. 100 times x is equal to 85 times 3,000. So you get 100x is equal to 85 times 3,000. So we get 100s is equal to 255,000. So you divide both sides by 100, here by 100. So s is equal to 2,550. So therefore, Abiba paid 2,550 cedis. So this is the end of this video. Please, if you like this video, please like and subscribe for me and watch out for more videos coming. Thank you.